welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make some southern style smoked, well, not really smoked, but smothered turkey necks. So if you're interested, stay tuned. All right, so let's talk about the ingredients we're going to be using today. We're going to be using brown gravy. We can use chicken broth or you can use turkey broth. We're going to use some garlic powder. I'm all out of onion powder, but if I had it, I would be putting it in there because I put that shit on everything. All right, we've got some liquid smoke just to give it a little bit of a smoky taste. Maggi seasoning. This is our seasoned salt. We've got some olive oil. We've got some minced garlic, black pepper, and then we've also got thyme and cayenne. So these are the ingredients that we're using. We're also going to be using some chopped up celery and some chopped up onions. So I'm using 2 pounds of turkey necks. I will put all of the ingredients down below and the recipe so that you guys can make this on your own in the Instant Pot. But for now, we're just going to get started with eyeing our ingredients. All right, let's get started. All right, so let's plug in and get our Instant Pot ready to saute. All right. So we're going to turn our Instant Pot on and we're going to turn it on to saute. The time doesn't matter because we're going to stop it anyway. We're going to put a little olive oil in there and let that start heating up. In the meantime, we'll start working on seasoning our turkey necks. Like I said, I'm just going to eyeball my seasonings, but I will put the ingredients down below for you guys. So this is the garlic powder. This is thyme. This is a little cayenne, so just depending on how hot you like it. Black pepper. And seasoning salt. Let's check and see if our oil and saute pan is heated up enough. Not quite, so we'll let it heat up a little bit more. In the meantime, we'll finish seasoning. So we've got the Maggi. Just gonna put a couple drips in there. And we'll do the liquid smoke once I actually put it in there. All right, so we're gonna flip our meat and season the other side. I'm going to go rinse this left hand. And then we'll start seasoning the other side. Oh, our saute pan is sizzling now. So let's go ahead and put our onions and celery in. So they're sauteing in the meantime. Our onions, and this is our celery. All right. And just gonna swirl them around a bit. And cook them just a little bit so they get soft or turn a color. In the meantime, we're back to seasoning. All right, this is our seasoning salt. So we're all seasoned on our neck bones, are all seasoned. We're just letting our celery and onion get a little bit more cooked. Once that gets a little bit more cooked, we'll add some garlic in there as well. All right. They're getting a wee bit softer. We don't want to overcook them because they are going to be pressure cooked as well. So we'll go ahead and throw our garlic in now. Let me get a spoon. We're going to let that cook. I'm going to put a little juice in there. Yeah. We'll let that cook down for like 1 minute. All right, I think that's been about a minute, so we're going to go ahead and turn it off of saute mode. So let's just turn it off. And then I am going to actually take the onions and the celery out. I'm just going to put it back in one of the plates that I had it in. So all right, now we're going to put the turkey necks into our Instant Pot. So let's see if we can just dump them in there. Yep, save the dish. Didn't have to use the dish. We'll use it on the takeout. All right. And what we're going to do next is we're going to put a packet of brown gravy in. Well, I'm using only a packet today because that's all I had left. But I'll put what you should use in the ingredients list. All right, and then I'm going to put some of this chicken broth in there. Do a little bit more chicken broth. So since I only had 2 pounds of turkey necks, I'm going to do like 1.5 cups of broth. Now I am going to put the onions and celery back in. For real though, doesn't every black family have these plates and bowl sets? It's like, it used to be my mom and dad's, but I stole it when I went to college. And mind you, I've been out of college for quite some time now. But these things have not chipped or cracked or anything. So I love them. Oh, when you put your Instant Pot on, you want to make sure that your your little inside ring is all the way in there. And make sure you turn your thing on. I got flour from the gravy all on me. And we are going to do, let's see here, how long should we do? We're going to do manual. And I'm going to say 55 minutes, okay? So, once this is halfway done, I'll start my rice and I'll be back once this is finished. All right, our turkey necks are already done, so we're going to release the steam. Look at that steam. Okay, the steam has been released and we're going to go ahead and open up our pot. Ooh, look at that. All right, so I've got my plate of rice here and some roasted okra and my wine. Let's get this served. Well, let's put a little gravy on the rice. And we'll put some turkey necks now. And I am just ready to eat because it's late, so I'm going to get started. But if you want your gravy to thicken up a little bit, you let it sit for a little bit and it'll thicken up. But I am ready to chow down. So, this is our meal. Okay. All right. Look how tender that is. Just look. Just look. Really tender. Just breaks up. All right, so I'm gonna try a little sample. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so good. All right, so I'm gonna go eat dinner. So if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below to let me know whether or not you have made turkey neck bones before. And if you like the content that I provide on this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. And love ya. Bye bye.